Good morning, guys. I am down at Primrose Way, just outside our gorgeous fishing lake. Been watching some people fishing this morning. So gorgeous. Now I'm here to show you our newest lodge on Primrose Way 1. This is our Willerby Boston. This is a 2-bed, so it's very, very spacious. The deck is ginormous. I don't know if you can sort of see here just how vast this deck actually is. And it's backing on to the lake, which is lovely. And it's on the new development, Primrose Way. So we come through and you're entering straight away into your open plan kitchen, lounge and dining area. Now this is huge, so let's have a little walk in. We've got lounge area, really, really nice, voluminous, comfy sofas. Really nice little multimedia unit. And then you've got your opening doors here out onto your deck overlooking the fishing lake. And then gorgeous windows here as well when you're having your supper, looking outside. And a really nice like cocktail bar area here, which is really nice. You've got a huge like kitchen bar here area here as well. You've got a nice little utility space here. And then we've got built-in dishwasher, you've got integrated microwave over here and a fully built-in fridge freezer as well. I love the colour palette in here. It's super modern and it feels really, really spec rich in here. So if we come through, because it's a 2-bed as well, it is very, very roomy. So this is the family bathroom, massive. So you've got shower and bathroom, bath. And then through here, let me take you actually first into the twin room. So the twin room, yeah, we have 2 twin beds. They're full size, proper beds. There's a nice sort of area here to get ready. And then round the corner into a dressing area. So just to give you some idea of the size we've got, it is super big in here. And this is the twin room. Now into the master bedroom. This is the good stuff. So we've got lovely bed here, and then to my right is a walk-in dressing area. Really, really lovely. And then through here, look at that lovely bed. Just so nicely decorated as well. It's a lovely feel. And then in here you've got a really, really nice big sized ensuite. So again, the main thing about this is space. There's so much space in it and there is so much spec in it. So it's a really, really lovely lodge, Primrose Way 2. If you wanted to come and have a park tour or arrange a viewing, my name is Cara. And also park tours, if you want to come and look at the lodge, have a look around Primrose Way, please do. My telephone number is 078 6767 4308. Okay guys, give us a call and we'll happily show you around. Cheers.